Well, welcome back to another Dynodaze video. Silver EP3 in the house today, and Richard has just completed fitting a Japspeed 4:1 manifold to this car and also the Dynodaze induction kit. It's our job to now produce flames and some power, so that's what we will be doing with an ECU exchange. So that's next. First, stock power run. Let's find out what she's got as she is now that we've modified her. Well, it's that point in the video again where I talk to you about our sponsor, which is worldoflubricant.co.uk. Go on there, use the code Dyno and save a load of money on your engine oil. Now, I use Molygen 5W40 in my FN2K20 and I love it. It completely reduced the consumption of oil in my car. It might do the same for yours, so go check it out. worldoflubricant.co.uk and use the code Dyno. Pow! Well, my ears are still ringing.
What you take your glasses off for? It doesn't make you look any younger.
This is a loud one. It doesn't make me look any younger.
No,
it does.
It doesn't.
It does, look. Old man. Sprightly young chicken.
Well, just want to say it's well, what we got? 2 weeks to Christmas now? Yeah, 2 weeks, haven't we? Yeah, 2 weeks to Christmas. I'm only working next week, and then that's it. I'm done. I'm having 2 weeks off for Christmas.
Very good. You deserve it, my friend.
Yeah.
Deserve it.
So finish next Friday. A week for me, or a week to go for me.
Very good.
I'm sure I will be greatly punished next week for wanting to have some time off.
Someone will find you something to do.
Yeah, I'm sure they will, mate. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, there'll be something that needs sorting out, won't there?
Yeah.
But anyway, should we talk about this EP3?
We had some Christmas flames out the back of it.
I'm not sure they're Christmas flames, but no.
They were nice and loud though, and I'm like I say, my ears are still.
Well, this is a Tegra 70mm de-resonated, so very loud in my opinion.
Is it de-resonated on purpose?
He said it's a de-resonated exhaust. I don't know if they did one originally that didn't come with a resonator.
I don't think so. Well, maybe.
I don't know. But anyway.
It's loud.
Yeah, it was loud.
So sorry for your computer speakers and TV speakers.
Yeah, the MOT bay decided to come out and have a little look, so they were obviously getting a bit upset. But we did have the door shut though. Yeah,
we were in the dyno cell. It was as good as we could get it. But, yeah. So anyway, he dropped some amazing bombs and flames, as I always like, and we finished on 225 brake horsepower.
We did. I think he jumped a stage there. Fitted a 4-to-1 this morning. Fitted a 4-to-1 this morning. He's tired. It's nearly Christmas. We fitted a 4-to-1 Decat manifold this morning on a Dynodaze induction kit, coupled with the de-resonated Tegra 70mm that he'd already got on it. Did a standard run, made 216 in its standard form, and then we did an ECU exchange and map, and finished on 225.
Yeah, which is all right, isn't it?
Yeah, I think so. Lovely gains in the mid-range, 40 brake.
Yeah.
40 brake in the mid-range, sort of around about the 10 brake peak. Extended the rev range, lowered VTEC, launch control flames, and overrun flames.
Yeah, he's going to love it.
I'm sure he will.
His mate was here the other week having his car back.
Oh, was he?
Yeah, that's why he's here. So
there you go then.
That's cool. But yeah, so that's a good one. We'll go look at the graph in a minute. I just want to say thank you. Me and Richard both want to say thank you to Chris, you know who you are, for sending us a little hamper full of chocolates and Red Bulls and all sorts of dog treats for Missy. So we really appreciate that. Thank you very much. And thank you to our suppliers as well. I've had a bottle of red wine from the Performance Company. I don't drink that, so I'm probably going to give that to my dad for Christmas.
Yeah. Well, that saves you buying him a present, don't it?
Absolutely, yeah. And he'll drink that and more.
And he'll love it, won't
he? yeah, at the dinner table. Let's look at the graph. Let's do it. Let's do that. I'm going to put my glasses back on there, Richard, so I can see anything. Okay. Here we go. Well, there we go. Say it with me, lads. Red line as she came in, blue line as she leaves. He's not wrong, you know, Richard. I am tired. I'm feeling it today. Yes, big dollop of power in the mid-range. Really going to transform that as he drives away from here. Finishing on 225 brake horsepower. Not bad at all. Now, customers requested a photograph in front of the Dynodaze wall, so we'll give him that. Thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. We hopefully will get another video in before Christmas, because there's a little treat on the ramp just there that we've still got to tune. But until then, we'll see you on the next one, won't we, Rich?
Indeed.
We will indeed.
Ready to elevate your ride? Dynodaze Performance Parts has you covered. From exhaust to ECU remaps, we offer top-tier parts for peak performance. Our experts provide personalized tuning to match your driving style. Join our community of enthusiasts. Join thousands who trust Dynodaze for their performance needs. Visit DynodazePerformanceParts.com and transform your drive today.